Hope you are doing great. Wish you a very good morning. I just wanted to share about the information about how you can go and browse my GitHub repository so that it can be helpful for you to practice further. So if you go to this URL github.com/jeetendra/bhattad/python, so you will see that there are various folders in it, and the most important folder is presentations. So when you click on presentation, you will find that they have been numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So till date, the video lectures have come to a point of 3. We haven't yet started with 3, but yes, we have reached till this point. So you people can go through 1, 2, and also you can try reading the 13th one. It's about modules and packages, which we have covered in brief in 8th lecture. And then to do programs, you can go in the basic folder as these all are basics. So you'll find here different py files. Just try to go through them, try to write, try to understand. So the names are usually given in such a way that they will explain what that program contains. So this is the one which is there. So we are trying to import the if else, or we are using if else demo as a module in this. So there are many programs, and you can surely go through them and try to understand what they are doing, and then try to do the same code. And then next I would like you all to try is go through the python assignments.txt. they are it's quite simple and easy programs, all the basic programs which we did in our college assignments. Yeah, I know many of you just copy pasted or did a printout, but now it's right time to do it on your own. So please attempt them. It they are interesting and they will trigger your thought process. So you will find that you are doing much better. You will get confidence, which is the most important stuff while programming. Once you get the confidence, then nothing can stop you from becoming better and better. So I hope this helps. Please try the programs. Today I'm not uploading a new video because I want you people to digest whatever we have covered till date. And it's quite a lot of stuff that we have covered, starting from data types to operators and then coming to the control flow statements. So it's a quite a good stuff. It covers the basic part of any programming language. So if you go and learn R, Java, C, C++, you'll find that you always hit these things first. You will go with data types, then you will go with operators, and then you will go to control flow statements. So I hope this helps. And yes, there is one books folder as well, and it contains a book, Python Essential Reference. This is by the author of this book is David Beasley, and it's really a nice book. You can watch him on YouTube. His videos are also great source of learning. I learned lots of things from his videos. So feel free to watch his videos. So thank you for listening, and I hope you have a good day today, good learning. Okay, we'll upload the next video on Sunday. So I'm giving one more buffer day so that you people can study and reach to this point.